Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're taking a look at two undervalued energy stocks that score a 10 out of 10. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at two energy stocks that currently score a perfect 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. That is a data-driven score that looks at 8 unique factors and measures a stock's likelihood to outperform the overall market. On top of that, these two stocks also come in with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street with some pretty attractive upside potential and show signs of being undervalued. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. We found today's stocks under the Top Smart Score Stocks page. On the TipRanks website, under the Ideas tab, here you'll find a collection of stocks currently scoring that 10 out of 10. Down below, I sorted for a medium to mega market cap in the energy sector and got our list down below. You can check out these top Smart Score stocks for yourself over on the TipRanks website or right on the TipRanks mobile app, which you can download using the links down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive right into these two perfect 10 energy stocks. We're going to kick things off with Permian Resources. They trade under the ticker PR, currently priced at $12.77. The stock is in the red overall in this past year, down 21%, and in the last 3 months, down a couple percent. But they do score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score, with insiders scooping up 12.5 million shares over the last 3 months, and hedge funds increasing their position by 3.5 million shares last quarter. They currently have a PE ratio of 7.9, well below the sector average. Permian Resources is an independent oil and gas company focused on the exploration, development, and production of oil, natural gas, and natural gas liquids, primarily in the Permian Basin. They're known as a global leader in oil and gas production due to their low operating costs and vast reserves. Their strategy aligns with industry trends towards consolidation, cost efficiency, and shareholder-friendly policies, positioning it to capitalize on sustained global energy demand. And the company does pay out a quarterly dividend, which is currently 15 cents per share for a dividend yield of 3.27% and a healthy payout ratio at 31.5%. Their next ex-dividend date is coming up on June 16th for payment on June 30th. Looking at TipRanks AI analysts, the stock is currently rated an outperform, and in their last quarterly report that came out near the start of May, they did have results that were in line with expectations. They're rated an outperform based on their strong overall performance with notable financial stability and attractive valuation. During that last quarterly earnings report, they achieved their highest free cash flow per share in their history at 54 cents and increased the cash on their balance sheet to about $700 million. Earnings per share of 44 cents came in 2 cents ahead of analysts' expectations, and revenue of $1.3 billion grew 11% year over year. Just last week, we did have an analyst from Bank of America who increased their price target,
noting that they see a bull case for oil starting with summer demand, but notes it is tenuous at best due to geopolitics. Additionally, the firm continues to see a cleaner setup in dry natural gas, but notes the upside in the subsector has compressed.
And with 16 current analyst ratings, the Permian Resources stock comes in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target of $17.88 implies an upside potential of 40% from current prices. Looking at those ratings down below, we did have several analysts increasing those price targets following that last earnings report, and they range from an upside of about 13.5% all the way up to 80% upside. And for our second stock today, we're taking a look at Matador Resources. They trade under the ticker MTDR, currently priced at $43.85. They're also in the red this past year, having fallen 29%, down slightly in the last few months at 8%, but do score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with increased hedge fund activity, insiders scooping up shares, and very positive crowd wisdom. Their PE ratio comes in at just 0.59, compared to the energy sector average of over 14. The bio for Matador Resources sounds a lot like Permian Resources. They also explore, develop, and produce oil and natural gas, primarily located in the Permian Basin. They have an emphasis on oil and natural gas shale and other unconventional plays, and their current operations are focused primarily on the oil and liquid-rich portion of the Wolfcamp and Bone Springs plays in the Delaware Basin. They also operate in Northwest Louisiana and conducts midstream operations. And Matador does also pay a quarterly dividend, which is currently just above 31 cents per share for a dividend yield of nearly 2.2% and a very low payout ratio below 14%. Their last quarterly report came out at the end of April, where they had a solid earnings and revenue beat, and they also currently score an outperform by the TipRanks AI analyst. Despite minor operational challenges, the positive earnings call sentiment and corporate events support the stock's favorable outlook. And when we look at that last earnings call, they did repay $190 million of debt and saw their new Marlin plant coming online, increasing their capacity. Earnings per share of $1.99 beat estimates by 21 cents per share, and revenue came in at $1.01 billion, beating expectations and growing 28% year over year. Just over a week ago, an analyst from Bank of America initiated coverage on Matador with a buy. They said the mid-cap, oil-focused exploration and production company has diverse growth options that set it apart from other E&Ps, including developing its low break-even E&P assets, share repurchases, expanding its midstream footprint, and inorganic growth. And with 15 current analyst ratings, the stock comes in as a strong buy with 13 buys and 2 holds. The average price target of nearly $63 implies an upside potential of 43%. Looking at those ratings down below, once again we have several analysts increasing price targets, a couple dropping them slightly following that earnings report, but still with notable upsides ranging from 4% all the way up to 82%. So that is a quick look at 2 energy stocks, both coming in with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street and scoring a 10 out of 10 on that TipRanks Smart Score. Let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies and what other energy stocks you have your eyes on lately. I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you always stick to your own plan and do your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.